Hi, I'm Ashley from The Loopy Lamb and theloopylamb.com, and thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at Crochet at Work by Kate McCully, which is a new crochet title released by GMC Publishing. Thank you so much to our friends at GMC Publishing for providing this copy of the book for me to review. So if you're ready to get started, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to this channel. So Crochet at Work is a Amigurumi title that was just released by GMC Publishing. And as the subtitle of the book says, there are 20 career dolls to make and customize. And the title, the cover page here talks about how you can make over 100,000 combinations. And I'm going to explain how that works. So if you were to purchase this book, you would find that all of the doll bases are made from 3 different doll body shapes. There is a small doll, a medium doll, and a larger doll. And all of the patterns in the book are created off of those 3 doll bases. Now, instead of removable clothing, all the different careers or career outfits are created by using various color changing techniques and things like adding on trims to make their outfits. Some of them, like the nurse here, do have removable have clothing, but it's not removable. You are actually going to sew that onto the doll. Now, where the 100,000 combination comes into play is that the book is written very similarly to a recipe book, which is kind of fun because you get your doll base recipe or pattern, and then you get all of the different recipes to make the different pieces. And you can mix and match those pieces to create new custom combinations. So you can make a doll with, say, the hair on this, you can give it the vest, and then say the shorts of this doll. And there's the sky is the limit, essentially, when it comes to how you can customize these dolls, which is a lot of fun. In the book, there are some really great resources for makers that I haven't seen in other titles, which I was really happy to see. Some of the supports include telling the wrong side from the right side for amigurumi, which is often a complaint that you hear from a lot of amigurumi makers, that they can't tell the difference between the right side and the wrong side. Eye placement, how to stuff your doll, and more. So I really liked that those were included. One of the things that I wasn't thrilled about was there was a small section on gauge or tension, but it does say that tension doesn't matter, which to an extent is true. But when you have dolls like these that all utilize different hair caps, which is essentially like a wig that you make for your doll and put it on top, gauge and tension does play a critical role in making sure that fits. So, just having a little line in there that could have explained to makers that although tension is not critical, it is important that you maintain a consistent tension throughout your project to make sure that your hair caps fit. Because it is very possible that if you make your doll in one sitting and then you make your hair cap in another, that it might not fit. So just to kind of help makers with that frustration, I would have loved to have seen that actually included and elaborated it a little bit more, just to help avoid that frustration for makers. Other than that, the patterns were clear and straightforward and easy to understand, but there is a lot of flipping back and forth because you have to read the doll body recipe that you want, and then you have to go and find the career outfit that you want, and then you have to flip back and forth in order to find to put the two together to make it into the doll that you want it to become. Now, if you are interested in what dolls are included in the book or career outfits, there's an astronaut, a builder, a footballer, which is a soccer player for us here, a scientist, singer, and soldier. There's a teacher, lumberjack, pilot, vet, dancer, doctor, farmer, athlete, chef, diver, explorer, firefighter, police officer, and a racing driver. All the patterns in the book are written in the UK terminology, and there is a handy conversion chart in the back of the book that will convert the UK terminology to the US terminology. However, most of the patterns are really only going to be using simple stitches like single crochet. So once you get your head around the single crochet to double crochet conversion, it's really easy. You won't need that conversion chart for long. And I did want to highlight, although there is a lot of flipping back and forth, I really liked that the publisher included these tabs or flaps here on the covers, so that way you can use them like bookmarks to find the pages that you're looking for or that you're working from. And there's one on the back as well, and you can use those to help flip back and forth quickly. So I did want to mention that was a great addition to help with that flipping back and forth. Overall, I enjoyed the book. I think it's really cute, and I think it's a great resource for experienced amigurumi makers that want to have a customizable set of patterns that they can work from to create whatever they want whenever they'd like. So that's it for my review. If you do have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. And if you have tried this book and you have any experience, I'd love to have you share that with us as well. So that way other makers can benefit from your experience with this title. Please leave that in the comment section below. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to this channel. If you enjoy free crochet patterns, please check out my blog, theloopylamb.com. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.